What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Super Lawn Surgeon, and I am hyped today. I know I made a few videos saying that lawn care is like the NBA, but today's another situation where I feel it's like the NBA. Today is a day where, like, you know, you ready for the game. Like I told my wife like 5 times yesterday, I'm so hyped about today because it rained like all day. I had to push all my yards like 2 days back, and people kept calling and saying, "Oh, it's too wet, it's too wet." And I'm like thinking, like, I'm gonna let y'all slide because I'm new. Y'all don't know what I can do. So like today I feel like the underdog. Today I feel like I'm gonna get out here, I'm gonna kill it, and I'm gonna show y'all the yards we working with. Yes, sir. Alright guys, my first time cutting this yard, so hopefully it turns out well. Let's get to it. Alright people, got it done. Can't see the stripes from this side because the sun's over there, so, but there are stripes. But this yard definitely makes me want to put a striping strip on my Gravely. But the Gravely kind of stripes. The stripes from the grass is nice, but my T-bar, that thing will stripe anything. And so with a big yard like this on a corner, I'm telling you, this yard is huge. It would be super nice to have a deep stripe. So I'm thinking I had that project in the works. I gotta figure out how to drill my deck, so that should be fun. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yeah.